Hi everybody, this is ArKady Frekhtman. I'm a New York City personal injury trial attorney, but today I'm actually coming to you from the state of Washington. I'm about an hour from Seattle in a place called Gig Harbor, and it's absolutely beautiful. You can take a look. There's a lot of nature, and actually one of the exercises we did as part of the Trial Lawyers College was to go out for an hour in nature and just kind of find our own path. So we meandered down the property where the lawyer hosting the retreat lives, and he has all these little paths, and some of them are muddy and you feel like your foot is about to go down into quicksand, and some of them are more firm. And then you walk down these paths, and him and his wife, especially his wife, built this amazing garden, just amazing. All sorts of flowers, tulips and different trees, like crabapple trees, really, really beautiful. I mean, it was a labor of love, an amazing garden. And so anyways, you go down this, you see the gardens, then you go down further and there are these woods, and you have these huge trees rising up into the sky, but some of the trees are covered in moss. And some people might think, well, moss on a tree could be a negative, but it's almost like an injury victim, right? Somebody could have an injury, or whether it's an emotional injury like PTSD, a traumatic brain injury, or whether it's a physical injury like having a herniated disc and needing a serious surgery like a spinal fusion. So somebody could have this, but still continue to thrive, still continue to get better, and still have hope for the future. So that's kind of like what I saw when I looked at this, because I saw these trees rising up into the sky, and they were so tall. They were maybe 200-300 feet up into the sky, like probably the third or fourth story of a building if you were in Manhattan. But they were covered in moss, and there's actually a rainforest here where it's even more moss. But you see the moss right there. And then, you know, as you stand there, there are like these slivers of sunlight that peek through this moss and these leaves of these trees, and it's just, you know, breathtaking. Really, really amazing. So what we did was we meandered through this path, we looked at everything, and we were told, we were given a task. We were told, look, find your space, and after you find your space, look at it and meditate, and then think about your dreams, who you are and who you wish to become. Think about your dreams, and you know, and say your dreams to this place, whether you want to do it silently or actually out loud once you're alone. So I thought that was really interesting. I've never done anything like that before. I mean, I love nature. I go out like fishing, I go, you know, take hikes. I even been to meditation centers. There's one in the Catskills called Kadampa. That's not too far from where I visit. So I've been to meditation, but I've never done something like this. I thought it was really interesting, and you can bring this then to your case, and you could use this in your case as you represent a client, right? Because a lot of clarity comes through nature, a lot of clarity, and meditation is almost like a rebirth, and a time to slow down, a time to think, a time to have this rebirth, and time with nature. Because, you know, especially in Manhattan or for lawyers, you're so busy, you're always in the hustle and the bustle, and you need time to slow down and to think. So this was really helpful, but we're still doing it. Like today we're doing a full retreat, and we're actually working really hard. We work from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m., you know, and then tomorrow we're working, I think, half day, and then I'm coming back to New York tomorrow. So I'm looking forward to the rest of it. You could see it's a beautiful place. This is actually a different place. This is just where I'm staying. This is also a beautiful place. It's an Airbnb nearby, but okay, I'm off to, it's almost 9 a.m., so I'm off to work. Have a great day, everyone. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Let us know what questions you have. We are here for you. Our goal is helping serious injury victims and families. Oh, and I didn't mention that today, because I'm still on East Coast time, and so East Coast is 3 hours ahead. So it's actually almost noon in New York City right now. So because of that, I've already done 2 or 3 consultations with people. A gentleman in Atlanta, a man in upstate New York, and a few other people, and a few clients, existing clients that I've called or texted, and also, of course, checked in with my office. So try to manage being a lawyer with learning new skills and being an even better lawyer. So if you ever need a consult, just text me, 347-566-9595. All the best. Okay. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.